Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm about to show you guys this flawless installation of this frontal unit. Y'all, this color is gorgeous, but that's besides the point. Do y'all see this lace? This lace was literally undetectable. The thinnest lace I have ever gotten from a hair company, and OQ hair will definitely do that. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this gorgeous look in literally less than 30 minutes, make sure you keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's get straight into this hair. Thank you so much OQ Hair for sponsoring this video. These are some of the goodies that I received in my box: some lace tape, an elastic band, an edge wrap, and also an HD wig cap. So today's wig I will be showing you guys is a 13x6 lace chocolate brown Burmese curly glueless wig. That was a lot. But y'all, this wig was so thin. This lace is literally melting into my skin with no product on it. I was honestly kind of freaked out because this lace was really thin. It was beautiful. So I was excited to put this on my head and honestly questioning if I was receiving HD lace on any of my other wigs in the past. But anyways, back to the details. This has a drawstring in the bag. You can adjust it just for some extra security, and you can tighten or loosen it up to your comfortability. So this is the coily ends. The units with the curls have been coming with this lately, and I'm not mad at it, okay? These look good, but we're gonna do a little tweaking at the end because I'm not leaving my curls with them curls looking like, you know, yeah. So anyways, I'm just going to install this on my head as normal. I have not installed a frontal in so long, so we're going to tweak this a little bit. Y'all, once again, undetectable lace. I don't have any product on here, and I was contemplating on how I was going to secure this down, so I ended up just going with the freeze spray method. I'm not a glue girl. I'm not really a tape girl. I don't even know how to do that for real. So we're gonna go with the method that I would do in 2019. Super easy, and I can remove it as needed. So once again, like, I didn't even need this on the lace. This is literally just to secure the wig and have some extra security on my head. So I went ahead and let that sit in and melt, and now I'm going to go and start defining these curls. As you guys can see, the curls at the end were very beautiful. I've left the curls on those wigs like that before, but this time I just wanted to define it a little bit more and have it looking a little more natural. So I did brush them out. You guys saw how that looked, but I'm just simply going in with some water and a Denman brush and just raking my brush through the curls, and the curls still formed at the end. The curls were beautiful, and this is just how the hair looks with water. Just water. I didn't use any mousse, any styling gel, just water and my Denman brush, my good old faithful. So I'm gonna do that to both sides, and I'm going to do this so I can have a nice blunt ends. I'm gonna trim all those little straggly ends because I hate for curly hair to just look straggly. And y'all know I love my layers and some curly hair, but this time I kept it real simple, real smooth, because this is a frontal and I might want to do some like updo styles with this. So I didn't want to cut too many layers and shape it too much because I don't want it to be short at the top if I need to do like updo or something. So I kept everything pretty much the same length that it came and just did some face framing, long little layers in the front of my head. Oh my gosh, okay, this video is going by so fast. I didn't even let this hair air dry. Y'all know I am the air dry queen. I don't like doing all that extra work and stuff. I will literally go outside with wet hair and just let the environment do its thing. But this time, like, I just wasn't feeling it. I'm like, I need this to curl up right now. So I'm going in with my I'm so sorry, this video is going by so fast. Okay, so I'm going in with my diffuser, and as you guys can see, I'm just scrunching my hair up with the diffuser with my hand. I'm going between the two and just making sure my hair is getting dry. And this hair was so full and thick and fluffy, and it was just easy to manage, super quick to do, and just beautiful. I'm honestly trying to see why I have only worked with OQ hair twice ever. Their quality of hair is amazing. If you guys, I'll have my other video that I did with them in the top corner, but I reviewed their curly hair before. Once again, lace was tea, curls was tea. That wig was amazing, and I'm so mad I don't have it anymore because I gave it away. But yeah, I'm kind of upset about that. So anyways, I'm not giving this one away because look how fast, one, I did this. No tangling, so soft, and the hair dried fairly quick. So that's definitely my jam, my cup of tea. Easy to manage and very low maintenance, okay? So I'm not gonna bore you guys with just blow drying my hair for about 10 more minutes. So I'm going to remove my elastic lace band, and you guys will see how beautiful and seamless that looks in a few. But I'm going to add a little more finishing touches with my hot comb. I normally don't do this with my curly units anymore because I like to go with just the natural look, but I wanted it to be just a little more polished and just do something different. Like, why not? But once I finish tweaking my lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some powder to my part, because with colors like this, when it's light like this, it kind of gives invisible parting. So I just wanted to make that more visible. And once I finished all of my tweaks, this was the results of everything, and this took little to no time to do. So for my beginners, my low maintenance girlies with their hair, make sure you check out this unit. It's perfect and you will not be disappointed. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box below. I will have everything linked, coupon codes, and just a whole bunch of stuff for you to check out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I definitely hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.